Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Mitsubishi F-1 in 1/72 scale by Hasegawa. The box has some further information on the side, but nothing too special. It is a top opening box with nothing on the back. So let's get inside the box. I have opened the plastic bag before, so that would of course be closed when you buy this kit. You get a plastic bag with all of the parts, the instruction sheet, and safety advice with decals. Let's first take a look at the instructions. They come in a single sheet that is folded like a leaflet and is printed in black, white and blue. So not a full color instruction, but it should be sufficient. The front side shows the building instructions with some advertisement for additional armament. And the backside has the different marking options, of which 7 different are provided, though they all seem very much the same, just some different numbering. The decals seem to be of decent quality, though I can't really say anything about them yet as I haven't used them. Let's get into the parts. The clear parts come in a separate bag to prevent them from scratching. The mold is from 1979, so quite an old mold. However, the detail on the actual kit is actually quite good, even though of its age. As you can see in the reflections, the panel lines are raised, which is probably the biggest negative point of this kit. But you still should be able to get a very satisfying result. Overall, the plastic quality is also on the older side. It seems very stiff and is very shiny, so the paint probably does not stick as well as with the more modern soft materials. However, we can see that there is little to no flash on all of the parts, so in that regard the kit is of pretty nice quality. Yeah, overall I would say the amount of detail and the quality is satisfying. However, you have to consider its age. Let's have a look at the clear parts. As we can see, the clear parts are okay. They seem to be a little bit distorted and not of the highest quality we expect from modern kits, but it isn't scratched in any way and should be absolutely fine. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and maybe got an idea if you want to buy this kit for yourself. Bye bye.